What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over Google Ads for chiropractors. So essentially, if you are a chiropractor and you're either currently running Google Ads or you're getting into the process of like, okay, let's start running some Google Ads. This is the process. This is basically the process I would go through. This is not going to be a step-by-step, here is setting up a campaign and full tutorial. I'm going to do a few more of those on my channel, so I will have more free videos coming out with actual tutorials of setting it up from start to finish, basically going through the entire process. But essentially for this one, what you want to do is with a chiropractor, and let's just say you're a chiropractor in Raleigh, North Carolina. When you look at this, we have local services ads that show up. Then we have a Google Maps ad. So we have a local ad here. As we scroll down, I get into the organic listings, which the first one is Yelp. Then we get into People Also Ask, which these have kind of come and gone, it seems like, but they are showing these a little bit more. These are kind of your AI mode within the search, but they've always had this. Next is going to be, kind of another organic listings, discussion and forums, more organic listings. And then we get down to the bottom where we have Guard Wellness Center. So in just the first page, we have a total of 4 ads, it looks like. 1 Maps ad, 2 local service ads, and then 1 at the very bottom. These are looks like the only ones running local service ads right now. So there's an opportunity there to say, okay, let's get ourselves into local services in our local market if it's available. That would be number one thing that you definitely want to start with. Coming over here, and I just did one, kind of show an example at times too. Somebody, sciatica pain relief massage. We get an AI overview, we get places. We don't really get any ads here until we get to the very bottom. So all the way down here, we get an ad. But if I do near me, then that ad goes to the top. We have another ad listed here. It might be the same one. Yep, another laser lab ad. So really only 1 ad running by me. I just don't think there's that much competition in my market. And, that's the thing to keep in mind if you're if you're running Google Ads for your practice. If you're already ranking really high, when you search chiropractor near me or chiropractor Merle's Inlet, if you're ranked first, your Maps listing is the best, your website's on the first page, you're maybe on the Yelp page as well. Generally, there's not as much of a need to run ads. I still kind of look at it like, yes, if you're looking to stay really busy and you want more clients coming in, I would still run ads and just go after the people that are searching for chiropractor near me, chiropractor Merle's Inlet, even if it only drives you 10, 20 total leads a month. It's one of those things that, these are additional leads that you're getting. But ultimately, what you want to always start with is conversion tracking. Tracking calls, forms, bookings. So if we open up one of these websites for a Raleigh chiropractor, RaleighChiropractic.com, basically for them, you want to have schedule your appointment tracked. You want the phone number tracked. Somebody goes through the contact us page and fills out this form. You want that tracked for sure. Schedule your appointment looks like it might be a third party, powered by Aloha. So you'd want that to be tracked. These are the first steps always when running Google Ads is track the exact things where these bring new patients into our practice, and these are the things people fill out to actually get in touch with us. So any way that somebody gets in touch with you, you want to make sure you're tracking that. There's also, for chiropractors, I track store visits. So that's another option is with your Google business profile when it's linked, tracking direction requests, store visits. So when people are actively looking for a chiropractor and they go, okay, let me see how far this is from me, get directions. That is something that I usually track in the background. But in the beginning, sometimes you can run a local campaign with store visit tracking that goes after directions until you get enough store visits to say, let's go after store visits. But most importantly, are you answering your phone calls? You getting online bookings, and are they tracking as conversions within your Google Ads account? Next is going to be build condition-specific landing pages. So if we come over to our Raleigh Chiropractic, you can see spinal decompression. This is perfect. Cold laser. These are, the types of when you have different services that people are looking for, we'll go into additional so this is perfect. Spinal decompression, automobile injuries. These are the things that people are searching for. So you want to make sure you have specific pages for it. So when somebody says prenatal chiropractor near me, you have a page for it. People can go to it and you can send people directly to this page with Google Ads traffic and actually track, okay, how many people came in to schedule their appointment. Maybe we put a phone call button further towards the top, but on mobile, there's probably a prominent phone call button and schedule your appointment button. So really get people into a relevant page, because for Google Ads, it does help to actually create really specific landing pages for, people searching for sciatica pain or nerve pain or spinal decompression or chiropractic care. Somebody searching for chiropractor might not even know what spinal decompression is. Somebody searching for spinal decompression near me is like, I want spinal decompression. So have a page for it. Say, here is why we're the best at it, and that is going to get people to actually come into your page. Same thing with like neck pain relief near me, like anything that you are doing where it's like this is a specific condition people come in for, we want a page for, and we want to make sure that page is optimized for our local market and the service itself. Structuring your search campaigns, so separating brand, core, symptom terms. So I always say running a brand campaign can be helpful because you get additional conversion data in your account. You learn, basically control when people are searching for your specific chiropractic practice. You can make sure that you control the messaging. You have, new patient special. Yes, we're accepting new patients. Contact us today, call us today, same day appointments or next day appointments, something along those lines. Then you also want to have your chiropractic terms separate because those are going to be a more expensive cost per conversion. Your branded campaigns will drive you lower cost conversions, but you want to have a separate campaign for chiropractic care. I generally start with the process of doing all of them into one campaign, and then from there start splitting things out. But you could start with, okay, this one is going to be a chiropractic campaign, and then we're going to do one specialty campaign. You could also have a campaign when people are searching for back pain relief and back pain treatments. You could say, we want to bid really low on these keywords in our local market and see if we can get people into our website and our guide so that we can basically have a little pop-up come up and say, do you want to book with a chiropractor? And that's a good way to say, okay, maybe we will take the next step for this today. Next is going to be choose high intent keywords. Chiropractor near me, back pain chiropractor near me. You don't want to target the keyword back pain treatment because you're going to get a bunch of people that are searching for massage techniques. If you do sciatica pain relief, for example, you do get sponsored results, but how to relieve sciatica. This is very new. I'm going to do a video about this. The amount of content I see coming up in sponsored results is really just pretty just new. So spine health, we have these are sponsored results. So companies are now paying to get traffic from Google for information results, which I know companies have always done, but it's kind of interesting to see so many of them. But you'll see some different ads in here. These types of keywords, sciatica pain relief, is a lot of times people looking for this. Pain relievers can work, stretching, massage, people looking for videos and how to actually relieve instant sciatica relief in 30 seconds. Like that's a lot of times what people are looking for, whereas sciatica pain doctor or sciatica doctor or even sciatica treatment. And see, this is where you want to be careful is at home without surgery, medication, medicine. You want near me, you want sciatica treatment, Raleigh. So you want to make sure people are searching for that specific search intent. And then now you're going to see which showing up. But even here, sciatica treatment Raleigh, we're still getting a lot of sciatica pain relief and treatments. So this is why Greater Chiro, it looks like located in Raleigh, having actual sciatica treatments chiropractor, having a page that goes over, hey, here's some information, and also we provide service to this in this local market. It can help you get more traffic, especially when you're creating that content on your website. So choosing high intent keywords, always want to start with the highest intent keywords, and then from there you can start putting in more searches and broadening out your keywords a bit. It also comes down to keyword match types. If you want to start with exact match keywords, move on to phrase match, move on to broad match. Depends on how much you're spending, how much you're willing to, allow Google to say, yeah, we'll spend a little bit here and there that might not be overly relevant, but ultimately at the end of the month, you're going to have the most leads in your market, which that's the goal. Tightening up your location market, so a realistic patient radius. Patients are not driving 45 minutes. Target people in your area not interested in it. So setting your location interest to presence and then making sure that your patient radius is set up correctly. A Myrtle Beach clinic sets a tight radius around its location instead of the whole metro, because if people have to drive any more than 10, 15 minutes, it's going to be hard to get them to keep doing it. And it's one of those things that, okay, if they do it a couple times, great, but we really want to focus on where do our customers come from? What are the top zip codes? And you can just rely on your patient data to do that. Follow the second lead arrives. So when somebody calls, answer the phone. When somebody, gets an email, you can basically set up a series of automated responses to say, hey, we'll be in touch with you shortly. Somebody's going to call you. You can fill out this form in the meantime and basically get them started with the process of going into their appointment. Really depends on the overall process. If they're just booking appointments right online, then just make sure there's an automated follow-up where it's like, hey, we would like to confirm this, continuously confirm appointments. Basically with Google Ads, the goal is how do we automate as much of our communication as possible? And then when they call us or they go to talk to us, we have a real human there to actually handle any concern that they have. So last but not least is optimize towards your booked patients. If you're able to actually bring in the data offline of, okay, this is this is how many patients we got in this month, and they came from here. And now what we've done is we have our CRM is tying back into Google Ads, and using that data, we're able to essentially optimize towards not only phone calls and not only booked appointments, but also patients who came in that actively spent money in our practice. And we can tie that back in and say, okay, this month we drove a total of 50 leads and we drove a total of 10 qualified leads that we were able to track, where we were able to tie that data back into Google Ads so that we could essentially see the best results. So to kind of wrap this all up, we have start with conversion tracking and then build high quality condition specific landing pages. Make sure they are set up to convert. Structure your search campaigns and target the right keywords. And then from there, it's make sure you have the right location targeting, the right bidding strategy, and you're really optimizing for the right actions. As long as you have leads coming in and as long as you have people following up with those leads, you should be in good shape to get more and more clients coming into your practice. But ultimately it comes down to, let's start building our overall strategy. We have, a bunch of sponsored results here. We have another sponsored result here, and I'm not even located in Raleigh. So they're actively choosing to say, yes, we want to target outside of our targeted area because, we get people from all over and calling from all over. And, potentially it could be something where, I'm traveling to Raleigh later this week. Let me make sure I go get an adjustment. Although generally it's going to be people in your local market. So when you're running ads like this, I would try to keep it very targeted. Even within a city limit, you don't want it to be too far out because, even here, if you're like, okay, we're located right there, or if you're somebody that's located up here and you're targeting all over this area, they might say, well, there's like 15 other options right there. So location targeting is a huge impact. Just understanding the data within Google Ads and creating the right setup is really the challenge. So doing that and making sure that you are keeping consistent with, hey, we want to spend X amount. This is a busy month for us. We have some type of promotion we're running. And, from there, it's also, how do we also improve the content that we're creating at the same time? But this is Google Ads for chiropractors. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments section. If you need help with chiropractor Google Ads and you want somebody to either consult or manage your ads for you, contact Surfside PPC. We will figure out a price that works for all of us and take it from there. So thank you for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.